Understanding Cook Until Done, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in cooking instructions, cook until done. This phrase might seem simple, but it holds a lot of meaning, especially for those learning English. Let's dive in and understand what it really means when you come across this instruction in a recipe. Cook until done is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. At first glance, it seems straightforward, but it actually requires a bit of interpretation. This phrase means that you should continue cooking the food until it is fully cooked or ready to eat. The tricky part is that it doesn't give a specific time, temperature, or method. It relies on the cook's judgment and experience. Recipes use cook until done for several reasons. First, cooking times can vary based on different factors like the size of the food, the type of cooking appliance, and even altitude. By using this phrase, recipes give the cook flexibility to determine when the food is perfectly cooked based on their specific situation. So, how do you know when food is done? Here are some tips. 1. Look at the food's color and texture. Many foods change color or texture when they are cooked. For example, chicken turns from pink to white. 2. Use a thermometer. For meats, a food thermometer can tell you if it's reached the safe cooking temperature. 3. Taste or test the food. Sometimes, the best way is to taste a small piece or test its texture with a fork. Cook until done is a phrase that requires a bit of intuition and experience in the kitchen. Remember, cooking is as much an art as it is a science. I hope this video helps you better understand and use this common cooking instruction. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.